Jerry. Aren't you supposed to be my economics class?
No.
You're not? Huh? I know.
I have fashion design right now.
Hey, now. You need to know. You need to know.
Take his headphones.
Yeah. I told her.
Hey, dude.